Want to know the secret behind those rich, mouth-watering flavors in Asian soups and dishes? They feel so comforting yet so complex. The answer is Asian fish stock. Asian fish stock is made with dried anchovies or Ikan Bilis. It's a simple, versatile ingredient that will elevate your cooking to a pro level. Let me show you how to make this liquid gold in your own kitchen. Here are the ingredients we will need for this fish stock. Anchovies, also called Ikan Bilis. Ginger, white pepper, and water. There are two ways you can make this Asian fish stock. First is by using stock cubes. You just need to follow the instructions on the packaging. Or you can boil anchovies, also called Ikan Bilis. And this is what we are going to do today. You can buy these anchovies from the supermarkets or the provision shops. To prepare the anchovies, remove the head and the intestines. To remove the head and the intestines, give the anchovies a little squeeze. Then grab the head and gently pull downwards. The head and the intestines will be detached in one piece. Boiling the stock with the head and the intestines attached will make this a pretty bitter stock. And you don't really want that. This can be quite time consuming. Alternatively, you can buy ready peeled Ikan Bilis from the stores. And surprisingly, they cost the same. These peeled Ikan Bilis are usually referred to as split Ikan Bilis. After peeling, give the anchovies a quick rinse. Drain the water and set it aside. Next, slice up some ginger. These are whole white peppercorns. Put them on your chopping board and use something flat and heavy, like a frying pan, and press down on it to crush the peppercorns. You can also use the broad side of your knife to do this. They need not be too finely crushed. And you can leave some of the peppercorns whole. To make the fish stock, heat up your pan over a medium heat. And when the pan is hot, add in some oil. And when the oil is hot, fry your anchovies. Ginger and white pepper. Fry them for 3 to 4 minutes till the Ikan Bilis are brown and fragrant. Next, add in some water. Turn the heat up to high and bring this water to a boil. Skim off any impurities from the top. After skimming, turn the heat to low and let it simmer for about 30 minutes to an hour. After boiling, let it cool. Then, remove the ingredients by passing it through a fine mesh sieve. And what you are left with is this incredibly flavorful Ikan Bilis fish stock. How do you store the fish stock so that it's always ready when you need it? You freeze it. First, let the fish stock cool completely. Then pour it into an airtight container. Make sure you leave some space at the top of the container because the liquid will expand when it freezes. Sometimes you may find that you only need a couple of tablespoons of stock to elevate your stir fry. In this situation, the ice cube tray is your best friend. Just fill them up, freeze, and pop the cubes into a bag once they are frozen. This way, you can grab just what you need. Properly frozen, your fish stock can keep up to 3 months. Just label it with the date so that you know how fresh it is. And there you have it, your very own Asian fish stock, ready to take your dishes to the next level. Imagine the flavors you will unlock with this simple recipe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves cooking. You can also check out my other videos right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.